Right, good day everyone, and once again you're welcome to the piano computer. So because of too much request, I have to make this video. So those people, especially those people that did their Post UTME registration lately with me. So what you need to do is just go to your dice. I want to show you how you can be able to check if your to know whether your registration is successful or not, to know if your registration is okay or if truly your registration you are registered to set. So all you need to do, just go to your browser. You can set your browser to desktop mode so it can show the whole area. Then you type www, where's my keyboard like this, portal edu.ng. Then you click next or go anyone, press enter. So it will take you to a page like this page. There's nothing like login username and password because you're not a student yet, because you don't know it yet. So click on these three dots like this. Then you see where they say application and admission. Then click on admission. You see where they said Post UTME verification. Post UTME verification is people that have not made payment for the Post UTME. But for now, you don't have anything to do with that. You want to verify whether your Post UTME is successful. That's all. So you can click on continue Post UTME registration to verify if really you've made payment and the registration is successful and the registration has been done. Then you come here, you put your registration number. So let me use somebody's detail to check this out. Okay, right, let me use this somebody's detail. 2026. This is when you click on next. When you click on it, can you see it now? Congratulations, you have completed your application. So if your status is showing you something like this, congratulations, you have completed your application, then that's all. You don't have any problem. What you need to wait for is if you are registering for if you are going to sit for the post UTME exam, you start preparing for the exam now, because the notice will be out any moment from now. Then if you are not writing the exam, because the exam is for only medical students and law students, so some medical students and law aspirants to say, so they are the ones that are going to take the exam. So but if you are not taking the exam, all you need to do is just to shield, but ensure you upload your level on JAMB portal. Then you trust God for the admission to come, but stay active on the group. If there's anything, I'll let you know. And for those doing your registration or sending details for their registration, please ensure the email and the phone number you are sending is active, because that is where BSU used to communicate with you for further process. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to share this video. Share it to others so everybody can be carried along. Thank you. Bless me.